Okay, hi, boys and girls. You're our faithful patrons and whatnot, and we've been very, very happy that you guys have been watching us. So patrons and subscribers, you've watched us go through the why. We've heard about the 3, the bolt, all the other stuff that we've got going on. We've got something new going today. So are you ready? Voila, this is the Nobe. This is our brand new vehicle that we're going to start to help put this thing on the road. It's a 3-wheel vehicle. We're going to be showing you a little bit about the car. And Mate is here, the president of Nobe. He's going to be having a discussion with us to talk about the future plans for this cute, beautiful new little car.